Hi there. Today we'll be looking at how to install NeuVector on an openSUSE Leap desktop. Although we can use any Kubernetes distribution or Docker native environment to run NeuVector, we will be leveraging the K3s distribution that comes packaged with Rancher Desktop today. In case you don't have Rancher Desktop and wish to install it, check out our install videos linked in the description below. Rancher Desktop also comes packaged with other nifty utilities like the Helm Package Manager and the kubectl CLI tool. Let's get started by adding the NeuVector Helm repository using the Helm repo add command. Just to ensure that we've gotten the latest version, let's do a quick Helm repo update. After ensuring we've got our hands on the latest version, let's create a namespace to deploy NeuVector in. I've named this NeuVector here, but feel free to choose any other name for your deployment. Once done, label the NeuVector namespace with a privileged profile to deploy on a cluster that has pod security admission enabled. Finally, let's execute the Helm install command to install the NeuVector chart in our newly created namespace. Once all the pods are up and running, let's now try and access the web UI for our installation. For this, we will need the port number that the web UI service is exposed on. Using this port number, we'll be creating a URL as shown to access the web UI. Since this is a proof of concept install, I haven't changed the defaults. But if you're using this in production, make sure you change the password on first login. Additionally, you may also opt for securing your URL with certificates. Check out our docs to learn more. If you found this video useful, we cover all this and more in depth on Rancher Academy in our NeuVector Basics course. Link to the course is included in the description section below.